on va attaquer cette compétition avec le numéro 138, Laetitia et Loris, et Pamela et Adrien. Musique.
There's a place I know where the lovers all go almost every night. It's a place to go where the lights are low and the beat is right. When you're feeling down, don't be moping around. Come along, my friend. Yeah, everything's rosy down at the Cozy Inn. Now there's Big Mama singing just for you in her sultry style. There's old skinhead Pete with an uptown beat and a winning smile. There's a cat named Jones on the saxophone and old Guitar Slim. Yeah, everything's rosy down at the Cozy Inn.
All right, on les applaudit bien fort. Et pour ce prochain hit, nous allons accueillir le numéro 108, Gaël et William. Et le numéro 31, Alexiane et Nathan. Musique.
Wake up every morning, heart's full of pain. Looked out the window and it's pouring down the rain. And I cried, baby, oh baby, don't ever leave me again. I miss your loving, your kisses too. Ain't nothing on earth I wouldn't do for you. And I cried, baby, oh baby, don't ever leave me again. When rain starts falling and I start calling, oh baby, how I love you. My heart is crying, I feel like dying. Baby, you know I want you so. Tell me that you're mine till the end of time. And I cried, baby, oh baby, don't ever leave me again. When rain starts falling.
All right, on les applaudit bien fort. Et pour ce troisième hit, nous accueillons sur la piste le numéro 30, Hugo et Camille. Et le numéro 137, Nathalie et Bruno. Musique.
I can't believe it. She said to me, hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. I said, baby, 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 don't treat me so mean. You're the meanest woman that I've ever seen. I guess if you say so, I'll have to pack my things and go. That's right. Hit the road. this way. I'll get back on my feet again someday. I don't care if you do, you're just no good. You never had no love and you never could. Hit the road, Jack.
Alright, on les applaudit bien fort. On accueille maintenant sur la piste le numéro 195, Théo et Oriane. Et le numéro 68, Florette et Samuel. Musique.
Another bride, another June, another sunny honeymoon, another season, another reason for making whoopee. A lot of shoes, a lot of rice. The groom is nervous, he answers twice. It's really killing that he's so willing to make whoopee. Picture a little love nest down where the roses cling. Picture the same sweet love nest. Think what a year can bring. He's washing dishes and baby clothes. He's so ambitious, he even sews. But don't forget, folks, that's what you get, folks, for making whoopee.
Alright, on les applaudit bien fort, s'il vous plaît. C'était le titre numéro 4. Et nous accueillons à présent sur la piste le numéro 157, Clémence et Noël. Et le numéro 74, Sandy et Kevin. Musique.
Get off the train, rock right, till you get to 4th and Main. Rock right, right into the ice cream shop. Get a couple of quarts and soda pop. The folks went to the movies. They left the house to me. We'll get that big beat rolling. What a mess it's gonna be. Rock right till you reach the junior high. Rock right, there's a little church nearby. Rock right, then you hear the solid four come rocking and rolling through my front door.
Alright, c'était votre hit numéro 5. Et nous accueillons sur la piste pour le hit numéro 6, le numéro 234, Tiziane et Loïc. Et le numéro 110, Sophie et Liam. Musique.
Some people say man is made out of mud. A poor man's made out of muscle and blood. Muscle and blood, skin and bone. My that's weak and a blacker that's strong. You loaded 16 tons, and what do you get? Another day older and deeper in soul. I was born one morning when the sun would shine. I picked up my shovel and I walked to the mine. I loaded 16 ton, number 9 coal. Store bought the city with a midnight soul. You loaded 16 ton, and one you get another day older and deeper in the St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the
All right. C'était votre hit numéro 6. Et maintenant, on accueille sur la piste le numéro 102, Léa et Hugo. Et le numéro 246, Pauline et Lucas. Musique.
Late one Friday night, I just knew that everything was alright. I know my baby was frying some tasty fish for me, but when I opened up the door, just who you think I see? That man sitting at my table. He was drinking all my whiskey, eating all the food on the table. Reached for my 44, my old lady grabbed me by the arm. This cat jumps up on the table, talking my baby, don't be alarmed. I met all kind of cats before, but this one ain't nowhere. So I give him 5, he's still alive, unless he get out of my hair. That man sitting at my table. He was drinking all of my whiskey, eating all the food to the table.
Et on les applaudit bien fort, c'était votre hit numéro 7. Nous accueillons à présent sur la piste le numéro 32, Aurore et Nicolas. Et le numéro 158, Clémentine et Sirius. Musique.
Well, it's the sea, the breeze, the ship, the sail, bringing my honey to me. Day after day, I'm waiting patiently, and when the salty wind is blowing from the sea, I pretend that it's the breeze that's filling the sail, that's moving the ship, that's bringing my honey back to me. I always keep my window open wide. I like to let the friendly breeze come right inside and pretend that it's the breeze that's filling the sail, that's moving the ship, that's bringing my honey back to me. Mr. Wind, keep blowing stronger, because I must have that man of mine. And every day seems so much longer. Now don't forget it's daylight saving time. I get so lonesome waiting days and weeks, and every breath of air that lingers on my cheeks seems to whisper it's the breeze that's filling the sail, that's moving the ship, that's bringing my honey back to me.
Et on les applaudit bien fort, c'était votre hit numéro 8. On accueille à présent sur la piste le numéro 33, Lana et Andrea. Et le numéro 100, Damien et Tamari. Musique.
baby in this business of love. I'm a mover, a shaker, like Mac tonight. I can take your last dollar with a throw of the dice. I got a gift for women from heaven above. But I'm just a baby in this business of love. I'm a smooth operator in all affairs. Sophisticated, debonair, I got all kinds of fancy stuff. But I'm just a baby in this business of love. I'm just a baby. Nobody ever trained me. Somebody save me. I'm just a baby in this business of love.
All right, on les applaudit s'il vous plaît. C'était votre hit numéro 9. Et on va accueillir maintenant sur la piste le numéro 107, Nelly et Lucas. Et le numéro 251, Ombeline et Yvan. Musique. On les applaudit bien fort s'il vous plaît. C'était votre dernier hit de la catégorie Boogie Woogie Main Class.